I think we'll know the answer to that before the Connacht Championship's over. Will they get their hands on their 5th title? Who knows? So if they were to do that and go into the All Ireland with a bounce, they can probably beat anybody. But my gut's telling me that they're probably peaked. That squad peaked probably in around that 22, 23, 24 period where
when you had Comer and Walsh and these guys
Walsh
firing all cylinders.
Firing all cylinders. They had that fear factor. Now I know Rob Finnerty is doing an unbelievable job. He's stepped up to the mark. He's showing serious leadership at the moment. He's kicking 65% of his, he's at 65% efficiency at the moment. Can he sustain that at Championship? Teams are going to have a lot more onus on him. My gut's telling me they're contenders, but probably coming from maybe the 2nd or 3rd bracket. I think anyone in that top 6 can challenge. I think Cork, more so Meath, can give it another rattle. I don't see them as contenders, but I think we'll know more.
I think they're away off Donegal and Kerry anyway as things stand.
I'd like to reserve judgment until I see how the Connacht Championship goes first.
Cahair, you're renowned for reserving judgment. Go ahead.
I don't. Like as I said earlier, I've never drunk the Kool-Aid on Galway. I've never fully bought into the whole idea, and yet there's something about. I think personnel wise, they're probably a wee bit weaker than they have been, and yet structure wise, I think they're better this year than they were last year. I think what they're doing this year is closer to a template that'll get them closer to where they want to go. It's just then with that structure, have they the personnel then to carry that through? I think if the team of 2 or 3 years ago were all there and all fit and playing like this, they would go very damn close.
I agree.
But I just don't know that the absences, if you get Walsh fit, how much, if anything at all, can you get out of Comer? Thompson missing, when is Fitzgerald back? Yeah, I just think there's too many question marks over them.